What's up, guys? This is Aaron, or Spade, but today is oil change day on the 540, so you probably can't see my face because it's sunny as fuck out. So I'm going to show you what all it entails to do an oil change on that thing today, because it's pretty low. So bear with me, this is going to be a long one. Alright, step one done. Now to take the bolts out. Alright, my car, we only have one of these. So I'm just taking out the one. Now we're going to slide the whole front bumper off and then disconnect the wires for the fog lights. I'm going to bring you guys in closer here. I'll zoom y'all out a little bit. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm running aftermarket fog lights on both sides. They're little generic eBay HIDs. Go ahead and get these disconnected. Alright, so now that we got the bumper off, we're going to roll the car back and then drive it up on the ramps so we can get underneath it. So now you can see why I had to do the oil change on this. When I changed the oil pan and I changed the oil, I forgot to put in the crush washer. So you can see all the oil stains that are around this oil pan, or my oil drain. So what I'm going to do, I got a few parts for the top of the engine that we're going to put in today, and we're going to get underneath there and go ahead and drain this oil. Let's drive this car up. Alright, now let's get up under here and drain some oil. You might be able to see this. This right there, that's my drain plug. Soaked in oil because my dumbass forgot to put a crush washer on it. Then, right there, you can see all the oil hanging off of that. That is your oil level sensor for the 540. I moved that over from my bad oil pan that had the drain plug stripped in it, but I forgot to switch over the gasket, so that's why that's leaking, if you were wondering. So yeah, switch over the fucking gasket because that's gonna keep leaking until I switch it over, or I use like some Permatex to seal up the around the sides. Yeah, so let's get on with this oil change. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this, but we're gonna see. Depends on if that adjusts. Give it a second. But right here, and you can't see it, fuck it. There we go. You can see those bolts seeping. And that's what we're going to replace the rubber washers on, because they need to be changed, because they are seeping really bad. But yeah, one thing y'all didn't see before recently is we switched out this valve cover, all the coils as well. This is my catch can setup. Several of you saw that video. It's still poorly mounted. I never made a bracket for it because I'm lazy. But yeah, slowly but surely, one step at a time. All right, so let's put some oil in this thing. Just want to show you the difference between the rubber gaskets here. I'm going to do a couple things. All right, so here's the old. Here is the new. This is you. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. So let's go ahead and put these on. All right, we're all wrapped up. Time to close the hood, pull it off the ramps, and put the bumper back on. Time to put the bolt back on. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.
There's a few things I didn't show in this video, such as changing the oil filter and filling the car with oil. I didn't feel that I needed to show that. But otherwise, again, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch. And I will be answering a few questions regarding Beamer Invasion Dallas coming up here soon on March 20th. Keep a lookout for that video. That'll be very soon. And once again, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. See you on the next one.